Hi guys, Bea here from Jane Sees the World. I'm away from home, so I thought I would do a little video on travel toiletries and how long they really last. Welcome to Jane Sees the World. We're just a couple of average gals who love to travel and explore. We don't have very much time off work, and if that sounds familiar to you, if you're trying to get the most out of every one of those precious vacation hours, go ahead and subscribe. We're here to share all of our tips and tricks on things we've learned on the road. Now, today let's talk about travel toiletries and how long they actually last. How much toothpaste do you really need on your next vacation? I did a little experiment where I basically tested out all of the travel toiletries that I use to see how long they actually last. I have to start with a little caveat. As you may have noticed, my hair is short. It's also quite fine. I don't use a lot of shampoo. If you have nice, thick, long, beautiful hair, you're gonna use more shampoo than me. So keep that in mind when I'm giving you the totals for some of these toiletries. But I figure when it comes to things to like face wash, that's pretty much the same all around. Let's start with toothpaste. 1 ounce of toothpaste will last you 50 washes. So if you were to somehow pack 3.4 fluid ounces, as TSA limits you, you're gonna get over 170 washes. So you don't need a lot of toothpaste. This will get you through a 2-week trip, a 3-week trip, in fact. So yeah, not a lot needed there. Shampoo. As we discussed earlier, I have short hair, so 1 ounce of shampoo will get me through 9 washes. 3.4 fluid ounces will actually last 30 washes. If you wash your hair every other day, it's going to last even longer. So again, if you have a lot more hair than me, maybe double that, but you know, still going to go quite a ways. Probably same with conditioner. I don't use conditioner, but I imagine if you use the same amount that you use shampoo, it's going to last the same distance. Lotion. This one went the least furthest for me. Every time I used it, which was pretty much all over my legs and my arms, took quite a bit away, and so it only went for 8 uses. That's still a week's worth of lotion use. It's just not that much. Body wash, one like this, 3 ounces, so we're still under the TSA recommendation. Goes a long ways. 1 ounce, fluid ounce of body wash lasts me 15 washes. 3.4 is over 50. So you can go a really long ways, which is a little bit of body wash. Face wash goes a really long ways as well, probably because there's not as much room on your face. So 1 ounce lasts 30 washes. That's a month worth of washes, which is 1 ounce. If you want to take the 3.4 TSA limit, it's 90 washes. It's 3 months in a pretty small bottle. Shaving cream. Actually, I don't think this is shaving cream, but if it was, 1 fluid ounce lasts 5 shaves, at least for my legs. I kind of have long legs and underarms. So it doesn't go all that far, but if you don't shave every day, it's still a good amount. Face moisturizer. Again, face isn't a very big landscape, so it can go really far. 1 fluid ounce lasts for 72 uses. That's a lot. That was even being generous. 3.4 fluid ounces, which is quite large, is over 240 uses. That's a lot of moisturizer. To recap, toothpaste, 1 fluid ounce, 50 uses. Shampoo, 9. Lotion, 8. Body wash, 15. Face wash, 30. Shaving cream, 5. Moisturizer, 72. Well, there you have it. Travel toiletries go a lot further than you probably think. But this hopefully gave you a good idea of how much you need to pack on your next vacation. If you want to do your own experiment, it's pretty easy. You can either take a product and use it till it's gone, keeping track. That's what I did. It takes a long time. The other way that I recommend is to actually use a scale. Just dab a little bit of how much you would use, times it by how many days you'll be gone, and then you'll have exactly how much you need and can then pack that much. It's a much easier option. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like it, please subscribe. Let us know how much shampoo you use on your next trip. We'd love to hear.